Hi guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. As we all know, the Openex Testnet crypto have been launched, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link it with your Metamask wallet. All you need to do is to make sure you have Metamask app on your phone, and then the next thing to do is when you are here, you have to click on Metamask browser, which is the second to the right. You understand? You click on it. It will take you to this place. So all you need to do is to make sure you open another tab, that is you create a new tab, and you copy the link at the description of this video, which is the first link, and paste it here. Then it will show you this, so you click on go. You understand? It will just load and take you to the official website of Openex Testnet. Can you see it now? So when it take you to this place, you can see that many people are already here. Many people are already here. Can you see it now? People have made a lot of daily transactions and total blocks, everything. So you keep on scrolling down. You understand? Keep on scrolling down until you reach this particular place, which is add openness long testnet. So you click on it, but you can see that there's an error, but don't panic. Since there's an error here, there's another way we are going to do it. Okay, let's go to the second stage now. So guys, all you need to do is to check the description of this video again. You will see another link, which is ags.log.faucet something something. You see the link there. So you come back to the browser again. You understand? Then it will load. So you have to click on open another tab. Then that link, which is ags, you are going to paste it here. ags is their new robotic link. So guys, as you can see, their faucet has been linked. It will be open here. This is the link I'm talking about. And as you can see, interact with the contract to receive 10 log tested testnet USDT. So you are going to click on add core mainnet. Just click on add core mainnet, or you click on connect to Web3. Can you see now? So you click on connect. So account one connected and active. You understand? So the next thing to do now is you click on confirm. You scroll down, click on confirm. Okay. So a new network added. Yes, switch network. The next thing to do is to click on switch network. So you're going to wait. Click on got it. Can you see it now? So you click on confirm. Switch network. Okay. All right. As you can see, our network has been switched successfully and we are now connected. In this place now, so if you click on connect web3, it will show you this. So you click on add long tested. So you are going to add the network right now. And as you can see, we click on confirm, and we switch to network because the network have been available on our distance. So we'll come back home and check it now. If we click on it, can you see it now? Our network can be added successfully. Can you see it? Openness Testnet network. Can you see it now? It will be added here. This is what I'm talking about. So after adding the network, the next thing to do now is, okay guys, if we now come back to the first link we click on that day, which was showing us error. If we click on add Openness network, I can see that successfully added network to your wallet will be added successfully. But if we come back home, we still don't have OES. We still don't have OES network. So we're going to add that one first. In order to add, what you need to do is this. So all you need to do is to go back to the browser again. You'll see the link that is which is a swapping link. I'm going to send that link at the description of this video. I mean the swapping link. So I'm going to paste that link now, which is a long.swap.openness.network. So you are going to click on it now, and it will load and take us to the place. Just wait for it. All right. All right, so guys, as you can see, it has been opened successfully. So all you need to do now is to click on connect wallet. So you select your MetaMask and connect. All right, as you can see, we have connected and it's now active. So the next thing to do is this. You have to go back to our wallet now, and if we come back to our wallet, you see that if we refresh, we'll see OES network there. You can see it now. We have added our OES network very well. So if your own is not doing so, after you have done it, you have to click on this icon, which is this arrow. Then you see connect. You just have to click on connect because we click on it now. Let's connect now. You see that it will be connected successfully, and as you can see, it's already here. So the next thing to do is you have to come back to the browser, then click on the tab. Remember the first file set we were using, so you have to click on it, then click on connect web3. Okay, so let's wait for it now. Then the next thing to do is to click on claim testnet USDT. Okay, token claim cancel, gas fee required to interact. So before you're able to do this, you have to have at least 0.01 core on your wallet before you're able to do this. Because I don't have it, that's why I cannot try it. Guys, after checking it, you come to your balance and you'll see that your balance is added. You understand? You see your balance in place of USDT here, you will see 10 USDT. So the next thing to do now is to go back to that same browser. You come to the swap you have done earlier, then you click on USDT. You enter the amount you in USDT, which is 10, or you can just enter 5. Then you swap it to OS. You understand? When you are done with that, it doesn't require any listing. Because I don't have balance in my phone, that is why I cannot proceed to show you. You understand? So the next thing is this. When you are done with that, you come back home, you will see that you already have the OS. So this is how simple it is to connect Openness long testnet on Metamask. There's another way of doing it, which is the simpler one. All you need to do is to click on settings. After clicking on settings, you go to this place, which is a network. Then you click on add network. In this place now, you click on custom network. Then it will take you to this place. So check the description of this video. I will put everything you need to put in this place. And immediately you are done, you click on add and you'll see your Openex Testnet network. So that is how simple it is to connect it on MetaMask. So if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.